Oh, pa, di ba kagaling man? I don't like that as a picture.
What does this mean?
August 17, my birthday.
Oh.
It's not her birthday.
Sorry po, everyone. Stop.
Na-stress na kamo ang president. Don't record it. Now I'll best wait. I don't know if I can get minions. Assemble. Cute. Mura sila gans. Ay, pa daw may pagkauson. Sad. Ayun, wala ko. Where are you going? Ouch.
I was dancing in the rain, fell along the bottom line. Don't take me home, take me home. Close to the center of the thing. Bitch! It was, the song was the mood, because look at that. And trash is everywhere, but who gives a fuck? Mother Nature. Mushrooms, yeah, mushrooms. First song that comes into your mind when you hear the word mushrooms. So guys, I'm gonna try it with my socks because the socks are slippery. Whoa.
Wait.
Whoa. Shit. Someone push her. Okay. Wow.
It's warm. Now it's cold. Brr. It's warm. Now it's cold. Path. Look at this path. This path is new.
Nowhere is a great place to be in a zombie apocalypse. Unless the zombies can climb.
Bitch.
That's bad. Are we even allowed here?
I don't know. Are we even allowed in mini forest at night? No. Oh, why were we there? Were we even allowed to go to, what was that?
Curiosity makes me smarter.
The dormitory. No, wala man to nilagi kuan.
Yeah, and it has like a lot of shit left in it. You gotta jump there.
We gotta jump there. The
Oh, we
picture.
can use this. Yo, Prano, that's 90%. Yo, we're in the Alaskan jungle.
Hoy! That's fine. She wouldn't.
Baka. Pero seriously, kabate ko. Kabate sa...
I genuinely can't do this anymore. I can't keep going down. How does it feel wearing heels?
How tall is your heel?